At some point, every window cleaner hits the same wall. You're busy, you're working a lot, but the money just stops growing. If you're busy all day but feel stuck, this will make sense really fast. When you're the one cleaning, answering calls, sending quotes, following up and fixing the mistakes, the business can only grow as fast as your time. That's the ceiling most people hit. The first thing that actually changes that is getting yourself out of production. You don't scale by cleaning faster, you scale by having someone else clean while you focus on keeping the schedule full. Even one solid cleaner can double your output if their days stay booked. When you hire, don't overthink. You want someone with blue-collar experience, a good attitude, and the ability to work without being babysat. And paying by percentage instead of hourly usually makes a huge difference. People move faster, quality goes up, and go-backs drop because it actually matters to the cleaners. Another thing that holds people back is buying too much equipment too early. A lot of window cleaners think scaling means more trucks, more gears, more setups. In reality, you only want to buy equipment when it's actually the thing that's stopping you from taking more work. If your schedule isn't full yet, new equipment won't fix that. Keep it simple, buy with cash and add gear only when it directly increases capacity. Another thing that slows people down is keeping everything in their head, remembering who needs a quote, who hasn't paid yet, who needs a follow-up, who's scheduled for tomorrow. That gets messy fast. At a certain point, you need a simple way to see your jobs, your new customers, and what needs to happen next, or things start slipping. That's actually why we built Bluework, the most affordable CRM for window cleaning, to keep your window cleaning business organized when you actually start to grow. It's there so jobs, follow-ups, service plans, and crews don't fall through the cracks while you grow. One more thing that really helps with scaling is recurring work. One-time jobs are great for starting, but service plans are what makes the business feel stable. They smooth out slow months, make hiring less risky, and give you predictable income instead of starting from zero every single month. Scaling isn't about adding everything at once. It's one cleaner, then one more, then tightening things up as you go. If adding work makes your life worse, something is out of order. If you're busy but the money isn't growing, it's not a hustle problem. It's just time to structure the business so it can grow without everything running through you.